Hey there, and welcome to this video about how to create beautiful Pinterest pins in Canva fast. So before I start, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com, and I help ambitious female entrepreneurs build a successful online business through social media and Pinterest marketing. So what you will need is Canva. You can use a free version, just click on the link below, sign up if you don't have an account, and let's start. So what I want you to do is type in pin up here and use this suggested size. But if you're watching this video, let's say in 2021, maybe this size is not the right size. So make sure that before you start creating images, so Pinterest pins, that you know that this size is the right one. Right now, this is a great one for Pinterest. If it's not, then just choose here custom dimensions, put the custom dimensions in and create new design. Right now, 1000 times 1500 pixels work great. So we're going to use that. Now, the second thing I want you to know is never use these templates except if you're going to completely change them. Okay, but we're going to use a blank canvas because it's better than to use any of the templates. Because if someone used the same template, so for example, if someone used this template and changed the title, and you're going to do the same, just change the title, then your pin is not going to be considered a fresh pin because someone else already used this style, right? So that's why we're going to start from scratch. We're going to put in an image. If you use stock photos, use stock photography. If you don't, I do recommend you get from Ivory Mix, you get stock photos. I am an affiliate, just so you know, the link is down below. You can get 550 plus free images there, or you can invest if you want to. But you can totally use free images on Canva, which are something like this. If you want, of course, palm trees. Those of you who know me, you know I am obsessed with palm trees. So for the first image, we're going to use the palm tree. Then our pin needs a title, right? So you go under text. Now here's another thing that I don't want you to use is, for example, font combinations. I don't want you to use something like this. Let me just put it here. This kind of fonts are hard to read, and you know that Pinterest users scroll really fast. So if they cannot read something, they're not going to stop and try and waste their time. So that's why I suggest that you use, I don't know, fonts like this, for example, because they're easy to read. Okay, but for now we're just going to use I'm going to use my own font, which is, my own. I usually, what's going on here? Okay, I'm going to use this one or maybe this one. This one, I'm going to duplicate, use this font. And here you have to write your URL, or if you have a logo, use your logo. Like so. And we're going to make it smaller, let's say something like this. And then our pin needs a title. So let's say how to create. Let's put it in the middle, duplicate. We're going to use a different font, which is going to be this one, how to create beautiful, duplicate Pinterest pins. Okay, so you cannot see this Pinterest pins really clearly. We want to make this a little bit bigger. Let's choose 88 put it in the middle. Let's see. We're going to use 88 size here too. And we're going to make beautiful, a tiny bit bigger. Oh my God, I'm sorry, my computer is acting up today. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Like so, and like so. I think this looks better, but you cannot see the S here. So pins, it doesn't show that good. So we're going to go under elements and under shapes. I'm not going to show you all the shapes. You can check them out for yourself. They're all free. There's a lot of them. So that's why I'm not going to waste your time here. And we're just going to choose this shape. Let's see. I cannot move it. Okay, in the middle. And I usually change the transparency because I think it looks way, way better if, let's say, we use 80 transparency. Make it go a little bit down. And of course, we're going to change the colors. So let's say we want to use, maybe not that one, not that one. Maybe we want to use this, and of course, because these two colors are quite, you know, bright, they're, you can't see the text normally, so we have to make the text pop out. So we could use actually black, right? Or we could change this to this, no, not this color, white. Or we could do this and duplicate. This is what I usually do. Change the color, and then I just move it a little bit like this. Okay, you can't clearly read it, so we're gonna change it to this color, and everyone can see the URL. So let's say you're happy with this. You have to, of course, change the title, how to create. I can't talk and type. Pinterest pins. Okay, so you can just download this if you want to. But before you do that, I want you to copy this page a couple of times, okay? Because we're going to change it. So this one, no, not this one. This one is the first one. We're going to leave it as is. You can change the colors. You can play around a little bit more. But let's say it's good. We love it. We move on. So what then? Next pin, resize the image. Let's say something like this, maybe a little bit bigger. Like so, done. Then you could, of course, you can't see the URL here, so we're going to change the color, maybe like so. Then we can change the color here to maybe this one and create beautiful Pinterest pins and duplicate this in Canva. We're gonna make this, nope, not white. Maybe we're gonna do it like this. Duplicate this. Oops. Position it to the back so that the text here is gonna be up front. And of course, we need to change this. Okay, so let's say this is great, this is beautiful, we love it, we're gonna use this, we move on, right? The next one, basically you can actually just duplicate this page. If you want to change it up a little bit, maybe you want to add something like this. Like so. how to create Pinterest pins that convert. Maybe we want to do this a little bit tinier. Let's see. Or we want to put it here. This is going to be better. Why is this not in the middle? Come on. Okay. So we make this smaller. I don't even know why I created another font or another space here. So yeah, for example, if you want to make this space between this line and this line smaller, you can just go under spacing and change this maybe to 1. As you can see, you can also change the space between the letters, but we're not going to do that. It looks good. So you can do this, change the color here. Maybe you can turn around. So just take both of the elements and turn it a little bit around to make it different, and change the picture. Let's say, I love palm trees. Palm tree. And we're going to use which one? Maybe this one. No, this is not going to work. I don't like it. Maybe we could use this. Position it to the back. Let's log the image. If you want to move this, just this elements and the text, then you should log the image, because sometimes even the image is going to move. So no, I don't like the picture, so unlock it, delete. Let's see. Or maybe we could do, because we're talking about Pinterest, laptop, we could use an image like this. Put it down here. And then change the color, the background color here, maybe to gray. Yeah, I think this one would work. And voila, you have a new pin. Then you can, of course, again, create a new one. So what I usually do, so if you want to create a video pin, I suggest you go under Elements and under Stickers and find really good stickers. So for example, if we delete this and we change the title, let's say we change the title so that we're not going to be here forever. I'm just going to leave the title and we're going to pretend we changed it. And let's see. So let's say this is a Pinterest image, let's say, even though it's not, it's Instagram. So, okay, how to create Instagram images. Let's see, Instagram images that convert. Okay, let's say we're making this for Instagram. As you can see, now it's a video. Okay, so if you want to download all of the images here that you created, this is not, it's not going to work. Okay, so if you want to just download the images, you can go here, change this to PNG or JPEG, then choose page number 1, 2, and 3, because these are images. Done, and then download. So if you want to just download the video, then you go here, video, and page 4, done, download. and that's it. So you see, it's really easy to create Pinterest pins for, let's say, one piece of content or for many pieces of content. As you can see, we created 3 pieces of Pinterest pins for specific content. So how to create beautiful Pinterest pins in Canva that convert. And here's for Instagram, right? So this is how you do it. You can create all of this really fast, but if you don't have that much time, if you're someone who's struggling to create beautiful Pinterest pins, then I suggest that you get Pinterest templates. The link is going to be down below. Those are 20 different beautiful templates that Pinterest expert made. So each and every piece on that pin is created so that it grabs attention of your customers, of your audience, and so on. So get them. It's only $27 one time. And PS, yes, I am an affiliate. So I make a small commission at no extra cost to you. Just so you know, I want to be completely upfront with you. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you don't have time, grab the templates. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'm going to make sure to answer all of your questions. Okay? So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.